On this episode, I drill a hole in my car. My quality control technician approves of ECS quality. And I use zip ties to lower my S4. Stay tuned. I'm super excited to do something I wanted to do for a very long time, which is buy and install coilovers. Yeah, coilovers onto the S4. I bought them from ECS Tuning, sick deal. They gave me a discount. I only paid $530, and joke's on them because the car needed new shocks anyway because the rears were done. So here's my unboxing and install video, and then we'll see how it all looks together when it's done. Let's go. Wow, открывай, тата, открывай. Yes. Oh my goodness! Baby! Дивися! Oh, nice! Стань тута? Wow! That's the rears. And here are the fronts. Oh, this looks so nice. This is so sweet. This is so much better than stock. That's the rears. Everything's packaged together. Everything's nice and neat. Nothing's damaged. That's really nice. Wow. Дуже nice, да? Oh, stickers already coming off. Cheap quality. There it is. Two keys to adjust. And I think this adjusts the front shocks, the softness. So. So I have them here for comparison. Here's the shocks, and you can see the ECS sticker that's already coming off, coilover, versus the stock. Presentation wise, 10 out of 10, 1 out of 10, really rusting. You're supposed to reuse some of the parts, like the top seat you reuse. So I reused that one. I think that works just fine for the top. You're also supposed to reuse the bottom clip according to the instructions online. And well, that doesn't work because this bottom clip is much bigger than this shock. So it's definitely not gonna stay on. So I don't think that I can't put that on because it's just not gonna stay on. It's just gonna fall away. And then if you look at the springs themselves, so there's a slight issue here. I'm hoping I'll be able to work out somehow. This is as high as I can pick this up. So if you actually look here, it's already not using all the thread. This is as high as it will go. It will not go any higher without probably falling apart while you're driving. And you could see it's still about an inch short. So the coilovers are finally installed. It only took me about 6 months to do a 6-hour job. So here we are, we're in and done. Before I can put the tires on, drop the car and see what the height is and how we can adjust it, I had to put the brakes on. Not just the stock brakes back on, I've been waiting for this for over a year. Over a year ago, I bought these sweet RS4 8-pot Brembo calipers. Look at this monster. This thing is super lightweight. We have 4 pistons on either side. We have a stainless steel brake line to replace the stock caliper. It's gonna go on front both sides, but that's not all we have. Here we have the GHM rotors I was running, lightweight, special edition, with brand new Brembo rotors, bigger and better than ever before. So here we are. The back brakes already on. Once I get the front's on, I'll have to bleed the system. Back is good to go. And then once I get the calipers on, then I'll be able to put the tires on, get the car on the ground, and then we can start adjusting the coilovers to see how the car rides. So it's gonna take me a little bit longer. Hopefully I'll be done in the next couple days here with the calipers, bleeding the system, then I have to bleed the clutch. It's a whole process in a manual car, but I'm pretty psyched that pretty soon I'm gonna have this car back on the road, because I haven't driven this car in over 6 months and it's been way too long. I miss this thing way too much. Let's go.